Hey Troopers, welcome back to Island Trooper 4x4. Having a very exciting day today. We're going to check out today's unboxing, which comes to us from IronMaiden.com. Very cool. Yes, Iron Maiden still exists, and they're actually going on tour 2018. It's the Legacy of the Beast, the European tour. These guys are still trotting all over the globe, but the reason I'm buying stuff off of their website is because I really love their artwork, and I'm a big fan of theming out vehicles. So today we are going to check out a metal shift knob that they have sent to us from Europe, and it's just arrived in this giant plastic pillowcase, and we're going to see what happens when we open the box. So let me set the camera up so you can see well, and see if I can get some trusty implements to get into this packaging. And Stephen S., I am sorry it's been such a busy week, buddy. Your video is next. Haven't been able to shoot or post many videos this week. Super busy. Speaking of which, oh jeez. Alright, so we're going to get that comparison video on that cheap Chinese pace setter header and see what those collector pipes are doing in the next video. But let's just have a quick look at this and we'll see what we got here. Let's try one of these. You got one of these? These little babies are awesome for unboxing stuff. Little, you know, X-Acto Zippo blade in there, and you just like run it along the seams. Anyways, love little tools like that to make a job easy. Giant plastic pillowcase, and in this giant plastic pillowcase is a tiny little box. Here we got our weigh bill. And this is the Book of Souls candle holder that we purchased from the very cool official shop from Iron Maiden. Iron Maiden does business with a company called Music Glue, and Music Glue will send you their CDs or t-shirts or whatever it is you want. But that's what we've got right there. Super cool candle holder. Doesn't feel very heavy, which is good because I want to modify it into being a shift knob for my 5-speed gearbox. Of course, we got lots of foam in here. Oh, it's looking sexy. I can see it. Oh, buddy. I get stoked about stuff like this. Oh, it's hollow in the back. Oh, I don't know about a shift knob on this baby. Yeah, I couldn't tell too much on the website, right? So, oh my God, it's not metal. This is from the metalwork section on the Iron Maiden website, and it's not metal. Damn it, dude, this is formed composite. Damn, like fake porcelain kind of deal. Super cool though. Look at that guy's face. Everybody meet Eddie. Eddie, meet everybody. Yeah. So, okay, you can put a candle behind him and his eyes glow up in the dark. The idea I had was I was hoping that this skull portion was a little more solid so that I could tap up into the back. Sorry, can't see that. I was hoping to tap into the back here and get a shift knob up in there so you could literally just grab onto Eddie's face and shift gears. But I don't know if it's got enough structural integrity to do that. I'm pretty much going to cut off the whole tray here. And yeah, the stem of our shift knob is going to fill up his whole neck. It's almost, don't make that dirty. I know, get your mind out of the gutter. It just came out that way, okay? Anyways, yeah, if we tap a hole in here, they're coarse threads. It might survive, or maybe I can refinish it in the back somehow and make it more like a knob. I'm going to work on that, but in the meantime, there's this super cool Book of Souls candle holder. I'm not sure if it was, yeah, it was about 50 bucks to get here, so I'm not so sure if that plan worked out, but I like it. It's cool as hell, and if you like Iron Maiden as much as I do, go check out their website. Alright, that's our today's unboxing. Keep the rubber side down, Troopers. Catch you in the next video.